Everyone knows caviar and considers it a symbol of luxurious and prosperous life. Caviar is used in luxurious parties to induce a fresh and different feeling by reflecting the light in its seeds. Caviar pearls are whole and unfertilized eggs of sturgeon fish. Today in this video we will talk about the amazing properties of caviar, so stay with us until the end of this video. Vitamins in caviar: Vitamin A, Vitamin D, Vitamin E, Vitamin K, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, folate or B9, B12 and BD. Vitamin B12 of caviar plays an important role for the normal functioning of the body. This vitamins. It helps to relieve fatigue and weakness. It causes the production of protein, red blood cells and nerve cells. Accelerates the breakdown of fats and carbohydrates in the body. Vitamins A and E strengthen the body's immune system. Caviar essential fats. Omega-3 and 6 fatty acids of caviar strengthen the nervous system, immunity and circulatory system health. Caviar's omega-3 and omega-6 prevents heart diseases and also prevents joint stiffness and pain. It improves mood and memory. Minerals. Caviar is rich in zinc, magnesium, iron, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, copper, manganese, selenium and fluoride. Calcium is very useful for bone health. Therefore, consumption of caviar at a young age can provide adequate reserves of this material for the body. Zinc is known as an immune-boosting mineral and can help the body make more white blood cells when needed. Selenium and iron increase the production of blood cells and help fight viruses and invading bacteria. Proteins and amino acids. Our body needs a relatively large amount of protein to function properly, and caviar can provide the body with enough of it. Effects of caviar in the body. Caviar helps the health of the skin, teeth, bones and the function of the immune system and is very useful for the proper functioning of cells and body organs. Number 1. Providing energy to the body. Caviar is a rich source of energy, and the healthy fats in its seeds can improve the body's energy level and stamina. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory effect. Caviar can be useful for treating some inflammatory diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and chronic intestinal inflammation. Number 3. Rejuvenating and beautifying the skin. Caviar helps maintain the health and beauty of the skin and repair and renew its cells, and can reduce its dryness and inflammation. Number 4. Improving the function of the brain and nervous system. Consumption of caviar is useful for improving memory, concentration and functioning of the brain and nervous system. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Please share your comments with us and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Be healthy. Be healthy.